In today's video, I'm showing you how to install the rear wiper on a Jeep Cherokee or similar small SUV. So if you've got one that looks like this, stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. This plastic cap needs to be pulled up in order to pivot the wiper blade.
Well, that wasn't supposed to happen.
All you need to do to remove the wiper blade is pivot it outward and then pull upward. For a 2014 through 2023 Jeep Cherokee, today we'll be using this Goodyear wiper blade. Then it says attach 5A adapter to the wiper blade. So this one here is 5A. You can see right in there. Right there it says 5A. The blade. Just simply click this in place. In there like that. That goes like that. And then this, you can attach it. And then pivot it in. There it is. That's all, folks. Then close this guy here. And that's all.